Hello everyone and welcome to this series of videos on basic features of Microsoft Word. I would like to point out that this series of videos is intended for absolute beginners with little or no knowledge of Microsoft Word program. If you feel you know the basics, a Word Intermediate tutorial will be available soon. So in this first video I would like to explore some of the really basic features of the program. When you create a document, by default you are located in this Home tab area of the ribbon. So this here is the ribbon and these are various tabs. In the left corner you have some of the clipboard options like cut, copy and paste. Here are the font option, paragraph options, and for today we will explore only these. Okay, so in order to do something, we obviously need to write something. I love pinebytes because it is a great channel. Oh, sorry, I don't know why the font color. So here you can change the font color. Okay. You can choose some of the provided theme colors, or you can go to more colors, then choose something from the standard palette, or use some of the custom color you create. But for now we're gonna just change it to automatic black color. So as I was saying, here are some of the really fundamental features like cut, paste. You can also select text, copy it and paste it again. But most of the people won't use this. They will usually select the text and then press, as you can see, I select the text and then you right click with your mouse and you can cut it, copy it or paste it. Although this is a beginner video, I highly recommend that you start using keyboard shortcuts, because seriously everyone uses them and you will be so much faster. So in order to cut text you press Ctrl X and then Ctrl V to paste it. You press Ctrl C to copy the text and then Ctrl V to paste it. Extra bonus tip for you, this works in Windows environment in general. So yeah, you can cut, copy and paste files around Windows environment using the same shortcuts. I just wanted to point out that everything here is pretty much intuitive, and if you explore these features just a little bit you'll get the hang of it. So here we can change font size, here we can change font, and you can automatically, if you select the text, you automatically get the preview of the font you want to use. So I don't know, let's choose Times New Roman, and as I was saying, here you can change the font size. Here you can increase it, decrease it. Mind you that here are present only some default values, but for instance there is no font size number 15, but if you manually write in 15 you get the font size 15. And just below this are some of the fundamental and really basic font styles like bold, italics or underline. You can combine them, play with them, or let's say one sentence is enough, you can use on this strike through. Also important things here are subscript and superscript. I don't know, if you are into physics and you wanted to write a famous formula, you would use this and put superscript here. Okay, also important thing here is, highlight. If you wanted to highlight this sentence, you can use the highlight here, and here you can change some of the colors. We covered already the font color, and I think we can easily move to some of the paragraph features. So let us start with indentation. So here you can, by default it's usually aligned left. You can center the text, align it to the right, or make it justified. I think we can move to line and paragraph spacing. It's quite useful because sometimes you might be asked to put a larger paragraph spacing or line spacing in your text, and I don't know, you can choose here something like 1.5 and make it larger. Another quite important thing here is the so-called bullets and numbering. Let's say you wrote I love pinebytes because, and now I don't know, I love pines, I love technology, and like this. And then you can use bullets. You can change styles here, or you can use numbering method, and you can also choose from various numbering styles. Okay, it's quite hard to say which skills are basic word skills. However, I wanted to show some really essential skills in this first video if you're an absolute beginner. And while we are here, I find that two more things are really important for you to know. And one of them is how to find certain word or phrase. So here in pretty much right upper corner we have find option, and you can write in, I don't know, pine, and it will automatically highlight the word throughout your text. We could also write a phrase is and then you can find this. If you put in just a letter, it will just select all the instances of that letter. Also, I wanted to okay, oh, we misspelled the word here, but in the next video we will be talking about how to use tools. Finally, let me just mention undo and redo buttons, which are located here in the upper left corner. So let's say if you accidentally, I don't know, deleted this, you can always undo it by pressing this undo button, or if you want to repeat the action, you can press redo. Since you might often need to undo something, shortcut Ctrl-Z could save you a lot of time and make your work more efficient. So I highly recommend using it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will be covering more of the basic stuff and eventually intermediate and advanced level tutorials for Microsoft Word. If you like or find the video useful, please like, comment and share it. If you like pines and technology, don't forget to subscribe to pinebytes channel.